Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. John Tucker here with our stock movers this morning.
And this is a conflict that's actually over. Novo Nordisk is ending its public feud with Hims & Hers in the agreement to sell its weight loss drugs on the Hims platform, which is quite a switch. Novo and Hims are going to announce this new partnership. It could happen as soon as today, according to a person familiar with the matter.
Why the absolute 180 on this? And Novo Nordisk was about to destroy Hims and Hers.
Conflicts cost money, so, being nice with each other, you can both profit. The two companies had a similar agreement last year, but Novo quickly scrapped that after Hims refused to stop marketing and selling their copycat weight loss medications. It is a surprising move, as you pointed out, Alexis, for Novo. They sued back in February for launching a copycat version of the new Wegovy weight loss pill. The drug maker accused Hims at the time of breaching the U.S. patents on the ingredient behind Ozempic and Wegovy. And at the time, you'll recall the general counsel at Novo said Hims' announcement was egregious. Novo pioneered the weight loss market, but it struggled to compete on a couple of fronts. You have compounding pharmacies like Hims have flooded the market with cheaper copycats, and then you have Eli Lilly luring patients with that rival shot, Zepbound, which has actually delivered more weight loss than Wegovy in some of the clinical trials.
So it's up 7% right now, Hims and Hers, but it's still down 51% year to date.
Oh, don't nitpick.
Well, that's nothing to sneeze at, down 51%. All right, what else have you got?
Live Nation reportedly reaching agreement with the Justice Department. This, according to Politico, this resolves the government's monopoly lawsuit against the company. Still needs approval from the judge. That could actually come today. It would make it easier for other promoters to compete for business at theaters and arenas.
Here's my question. Cut through all the noise. Is it going to cost me less to see a concert?
Well, more competition is the end goal here. And it looks like that might happen. Still, about 10 states so far have agreed to the framework. Other state attorneys general, like the one in New York, Letitia James, said last month that she'd continue the case regardless of the path that the Justice Department takes. Live Nation trial that began March 2nd.
Most of it's just demand, right? I mean, the arena holds 25,000 people, and 60,000 people want to go.
So many people can see it, yeah.
I can't recall the last. I think it was the Who at the Garden.
I mean,
that's cool.
Our Live Nation correspondent is Amy Wu Silverman, option strategist.
Okay.
She's hardwired in with her daughter. They go to a concert a week.
That's a big investment.
It's a big investment. It's serious money. What else do you have? One more question.
I'm still trying to figure this one out. Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr. are backing a new drone company. It's vying to meet fresh demand from the Pentagon. Guess why? The deal brings deeper involvement by the Trumps into the drone sector. It includes, anyway.
How do you do that? It's amazing.
So this involves Powerus, a drone roll-up company based in West Palm Beach, Florida, merging with the publicly traded golf course holding company that's backed by the Trumps, Aureus Greenway Holdings. It was formed last year, trading on the NASDAQ in the coming months. It includes one of the Trump's investment vehicles, American Ventures, and Unusual Machines, a drone components company where Donald Trump Jr. is a shareholder and advisory board member. So I'll let you figure this out.
A little incestuous, just a little bit.
I'm not going to comment. I'm just laying it out there. Just the facts.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.